Hello everyone, to record your channel, go to the menu right here and then select record all encode config. First, browse the directory you want to save. In this video, I will be using desktop. After that, click OK. Then at the encode config area, tick enable. Once you tick it, it will let you choose the encode profile. Click the browse button. Inside VG Director has some built-in encoder for you. Select the encoder you want. After that, tick the file. It has three formats: AVI, MP4 and FLV. Select the format you want, then click apply. After that, find the record button, which is right here, and then click to record. When the recording is success, the button will change to red. To stop, click the button again. So let's go to the directory we saved just now, which is desktop, and the recorded file is right here in the MP4 format. Besides that, you can also record your channel right here, channel record. Click the gear button and then browse the directory you want to save. I will just use desktop again. You can also do the encode setting right here. This is what we did just now. After that, click OK. To start record, click the play button. When the recording is success, the button will change to red. You can also check the status right here. To stop, click the stop button. So let's go to the directory we saved just now, desktop. The recorded file will be in the folder as it contains all channel recording. It depends on how many channels you have. Just now we record channel 1, so we will open channel 1 folder. The folder name will be based on your channel name. So that's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.